name's Julianne, and today I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of how powerful the Eureka vacuum cleaner is in both the upright position and handheld position. This vacuum cleaner is both very versatile. It can be used in upright position or handheld position. Both are very powerful, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Let me go over some key features really fast of the vacuum cleaner. So as you can see, it's got a very spacious dustbin, some very large wheels, making it easy to glide on any surface, tile, hardwood floor, carpet, all of that fun stuff. So very versatile. It's very space savvy.